Today, we're ripping out this old sink and upgrading everything. Fresh shutoff valves, clean plumbing, no more leaks. Let's fix this mess once and for all. Tools and materials needed: wrench, channel locks, pipe cutter, screwdriver, torch, emery cloth, flux brush, bucket copper pipe, quarter turn valves, Teflon tape, solder, supply lines, plumber's putty silicone. Step 1, leak discovery. Camera close-up on wet towel and rusty saddle valve. This towel's soaked, and here's why. That self-tapping saddle valve feeding the fridge, it's leaking, rusty, and just bad practice. These things always fail. So we're cutting it out completely and rebuilding the setup the right way. Step 2, power and water off. Unplug the garbage disposal and kill the power. Then here's the main water shutoff. Quarter turn, solid and simple. Turn it off. Then go upstairs and open a faucet to drain the pressure out of lines. Step 3, disconnecting everything. With the water drained, it's tear down time. Remove the supply lines, the drain, and the garbage disposal. Always keep a bucket handy. A little water always finds a way out. Once the disposal is free, twist it off clockwise and it drops right out. Camera switches to underside of sink. Now, loosen those sink clips, cut through any old sealant, and lift the sink straight out. This one actually came out clean. Lucky day. Step 4, clean up and prep. Time to clean off decades of plumber's putty, grime, and corrosion. This area has been leaking for a while, so we'll sanitize everything before setting the new sink. Good prep means no leaks later. Step 5, cutting out the old valve. Let's fix the real problem, the saddle valve. Disconnect the fridge line and cut that whole thing out. Steel fittings on copper? Big mistake. Always stick with brass or copper to prevent corrosion. And this little Milwaukee tubing cutter, my go-to, makes perfect clean cuts every time. Step 6, cleaning and soldering new lines. Now, prep your copper. Burn off any paint. Clean the pipe with emery cloth. Then add a bit of flux. We're soldering on copper male adapters for the new quarter turn valves. If you do this often, use MAP gas and 95/5 solder. Way faster and cleaner joints. Step 7, installing the new valves. For the threaded fittings, 3 wraps of Teflon, a touch of Megalock, and keep that first thread clean. I've got a 1/2 inch FIP to a 1/4 inch of fridge, and 1/2 inch to 3/8 compression valves for the faucet and dishwasher. Tighten them snug, but not gorilla tight. Step 8, water test. Moment of truth. Slowly open your main shutoff. Bleed the air from your outdoor hose bib, and then fully open the line. Check every joint. No drips, no bubbles, no leaks. Perfect. And that's how you remove an old sink. Cut out bad valves and install brand new quarter turn shutoffs. Clean, solid, and ready for a new sink. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button and stick around for part 2, where we'll be installing a new sink and faucet setup.